Hi there, this is Maths with Angela. I'm going to do solving linear equations where you have a bracket and also you have letters both sides. So there's a few steps to these. I'm going to take you through this example here in blue and then you can have a go at the other ones on this page. So here we go. So first of all, it would be helpful to multiply this out, this side. So let's have a go at doing that. So I've got, this stays the same, so 3p plus 8. And if I multiply this out, I've got 4 times 7, which is 28, minus 4 times 2p, which gives us 8p. Okay then. So now I've got my terms out of the bracket, I can start adding or taking off things from both sides. So I've got 3 p's here and I've got minus 8 p's here. So the smallest amount of p's is this minus. So I'm going to do the inverse of this. So I'm going to plus 8p to both sides. Okay. So I end up with, as we say, 11p this side plus the 8. And this equals 28, it's not affected, and then this cancels out, we've got nothing left. And now it's similar to the ones where we've done before in part 1, where we've got 1p one side. So let's undo this. So the furthest thing away from 11p is 8 plus 8p, so I've got to take that away from both sides. So I end up with 11p only equals 20, and then I'm going to divide by 11. Okay, so then I end up with p equals, now you can leave it as 20 over 11 because a lot of this is on the non-calculated paper, or you can cancel it down to a mixed number, so that's 1 whole 1 and 9 over 20. Okay, or you can do it with a calculator if you have a calculator to have a decimal answer. So there you go, hopefully that was helpful. You can have a go at the rest of the questions. Bye.